Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we re-talking about a tiny component in your engine that packs a massive punch, the spark plug. It might be small, but without it, your car is basically a very expensive paperweight. Its job is simple, but crucial: to create a spark of electricity that ignites the mixture of air and fuel in your engine's cylinders, creating the combustion that powers your vehicle. Think of it as the match that starts the fire. When your spark plugs are new and clean, you get a perfect, strong spark every single time. This results in a smooth, responsive, and efficient engine, purring along just like it should. But what happens when these little powerhouses get old and worn out? Over time, spark plugs can become fouled with carbon deposits, oil, and fuel additives. The electrodes can also wear down, creating a wider gap that the spark has to jump. When this happens, the spark becomes weak, inconsistent, or might not happen at all. This is what we call an engine misfire. Instead of a smooth, controlled combustion, you get an incomplete burn or no burn at all. The result? Your engine will start to shake, shudder, and run rough. You'll feel it in the driver's seat, and it's your car's way of telling you something is seriously wrong. Ignoring a misfire caused by bad spark plugs is a recipe for disaster. First, you'll notice a significant drop in performance. Your car will feel sluggish, acceleration will be weak, and you'll find yourself visiting the gas station a lot more often. That's because the unburnt fuel from the misfiring cylinder is just being wasted. But it gets much worse. That raw, unburnt fuel doesn't just disappear. It gets dumped into your exhaust system, where it can superheat and melt the inside of your catalytic converter. A catalytic converter replacement can cost you hundreds, if not thousands. $1 all, because of a neglected, inexpensive part. The problems don't stop there. Worn-out spark plugs can make starting your car a real struggle, especially in cold weather. You might find yourself cranking the engine over and over, only for it to sputter and fail to start. In a more dangerous scenario, failing spark plugs can cause your engine to stall completely. Imagine pulling out into busy traffic and having your engine just die on you. It's not just an inconvenience. It's a serious safety risk for you and everyone else on the road. So please, don't underestimate the importance of these small parts. Check your owner's manual for the recommended replacement interval and stick to it. Regularly changing your spark plugs is a simple, affordable bit of maintenance that protects your engine, saves you money, and keeps you safe. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more car care tips. Drive safe.